Hi there and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make the most delicious, moist, savory, and sweet cornbread. These are my ingredients and they will be listed in the description box below along with step-by-step instructions. Now to get started, to my bowl I am adding some cornmeal, some flour, baking powder, baking soda, and I'll whisk that in together. Make sure everything is nice and combined, and we'll set the dry ingredients aside. So now to prepare our wet ingredients, I added some sugar, some melted butter, buttermilk, and some honey. Whisk everything in until the sugar has dissolved. I also add 1 egg. Now I'm adding my dry ingredients to my wet ingredients. Add the flour and the cornmeal little at a time and whisk until everything is nice and smooth. There is no lumps in your batter. I'm going in with my corn, and that is sweet corn, and some scallions and chives mixed together. That looks so good, guys. Yep, and it's now ready for the oven. Before I do that, I'm adding some cream cheese and chive mixture and bake for 25 minutes. Guys, this is absolutely delicious. If you try this recipe, please let me know how yours turned out. If you're new to my channel and you're watching, you can please go ahead and subscribe. Thank you so much. If you're already here, I'd like to thank you for supporting. Please share this video and comment. Do enjoy. Bye-bye.